Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some foundational concepts in physics that are all around us. Mechanical work, gravitational potential energy, kinetic energy, the law of conservation of energy, and power. We'll break down what they are with simple examples and see how they connect. Let's get started. First up, what exactly is mechanical work in physics? It's not just about having a job. Work is done when a force you apply actually causes an object to move a certain distance. The formula is work equals force times distance. Imagine you're pushing a heavy box across the floor. Let's say you push with a force of 10 newtons and you move it 5 meters. The work you've done is 10 times 5, which equals 50 joules. That 50 joules is the energy you transferred to the box to get it moving. Next, let's talk about gravitational potential energy, or GPE. This is the energy an object has stored simply because of its position or height. The higher something is, the more potential energy it has. The formula is mass times the acceleration due to gravity, g times the height. So, if you lift a 2-kilogram rock 3 meters off the ground, its potential energy is 2 times 9.81 times 3, which comes out to about 58.9 joules. This is the stored energy the rock has, just waiting to be released. So, what happens when that energy is released? That's where kinetic energy comes in. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. Anything that's moving has kinetic energy. The formula for it is 1/2 times mass times velocity squared. Think of a 1,000 kilogram car driving at 15 meters per second. Its kinetic energy would be 1/2 times 1,000 times 15 squared, which is a whopping 112,500 joules. The faster something moves, or the heavier it is, the more kinetic energy it has. This brings us to a super important rule, the law of conservation of energy. This law states that energy can't be created or destroyed, only changed from one form to another. Remember our rock with 58.9 joules of potential energy. If you drop it as it falls, that potential energy gets converted into kinetic energy. Right before it hits the ground, all that potential energy has transformed into 58.9 joules of kinetic energy. The total energy stays the same, it just changes its form. Finally, let's talk about power. Power isn't just about strength. It's about how quickly you use energy or do work. The formula is simple. Power equals work divided by time. Let's go back to pushing that box. You did 50 joules of work. If it took you 10 seconds to do it, your power output is 50 divided by 10, which equals 5 watts. If you did it in just 5 seconds, your power would be 10 watts. You did the same work, but you were more powerful because you did it faster. So, to recap, work is force over a distance, potential energy is stored energy of position, and kinetic energy is the energy of motion. Energy is always conserved, it just transforms, and power is the rate at which you do that work. Understanding these ideas is key to seeing how the world around us functions. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more physics fun. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.